method. As Ma'am Henny said, meron lang tong sugar, saka may optional siya na liquor. You can use rum or triple sec or Cointreau.
So for that, we need 1 1/4 cup Pillsbury all-purpose flour, 4 eggs. For the sugar, we need 3 tablespoons. Again, mix everything lang.
Pero ito, Ma'am Henny, puro milk.
Okay, 1 3/4 cup. Fresh milk, ha? By the way, we're using fresh milk, not the evaporated. Kasi masyadong mabigat. Tsaka masyadong yellowish ang color if you will use yung evaporated milk. So, nandito na yung ating flour, sugar, tapos yung ating 4 eggs, milk, and then lastly, we will add 2 tablespoons unsalted Angkor butter. Melt and cooled, no? Cooled at room temperature, not in the refrigerator.
And this one, triple sec.
Triple sec. Pag gusto nila mas mura, they can use rum. But again, Jackie, that's optional.
So, Ma'am Henny,
Oh.
strain din natin yan.
Oo, dapat. Ayan. So we cover that again.
Okay. Put this in the refrigerator also.
Mga 30 minutes. Okay, o Jackie, gawin na natin. Yan. Pagkabuhos, dapat ititil, diba, Jack?
Yeah. Para mag-spread out.
Para mag-spread out. Pag kulang, dagdagan.
Dagdagan.
Para matakpan yung mga butas. Ito yung talagang crepe pan. Yung mababaw lang, para mas madali mag-tilt. Tapos, hintayin natin mag-bubbles. Pag nag-bubbles na, we can flip it over. Yan. Pagka loose na, they can flip it like that.
Eh, kung na-overcook, Ma'am Henny.
Kung na-overcook, para na siyang ano yun? Apa. Masarap din especially for the dessert cone. Sometimes I do that.
Matigas na. Hey.
Okay, so, I need this, Jackie, you have to melt this in the microwave. This is milk chocolate. Mga 1 minute, okay? So, this is a squeeze-it bottle, microwavable. So, habang nagme-melt ka, prepare ko na yung bananas.
With the bananas, we'll use Nutella.
Kung wala sila niyan, pwede silang gumamit ng peanut butter.
Yeah.
That's the nearest substitute. Okay, spread it.
This Nutella is parang peanut butter but made from hazelnut.
Tapos with
Yung ganito.
Yan.
Yan, na.
Okay na? Then you have to shake it, no? I'll put mga 3.
Ilagay na rin natin sa squeeze bottle.
Masarap, Jackie, crepe buffet.
Oo.
Pag may party. Okay, this is ready-made caramel. Mas maganda kasi pag naka-plating It looks appetizing.
We're showing you different ways of presenting your crepe para hindi naman lahat parang yung lumpia style na nakatupi. May open, may span, meron na nakatupi.
Yan. Bigyan natin ng hazelnut.
Yan. Para at least alam nila kung ano yung kinakain nila. Hazelnut.
Yan.
Yan.
Okay, so we're done with our, ano tawag dyan? Banana Nutella crepe.
Tago ko na to.
Sige. O, Jackie, anong sunod natin?
Mango crepe. Mango
Okay.
cream crepe.
So, i-fold natin into a wedge, no? Half muna, then into quarter.
Parang pamaypay.
Oo. So, lagyan natin ng whipping cream.
Sa loob.
Sa loob.
Yan.
Yan. Lagyan natin ng...
Mango slices.
Yan.
Fresh mango.
Pwede rin peaches, no?
Actually, kahit anong fruit. Huwag lang yung mga fruits na nangingitim.
Okay, chocolate sauce. yung ating minelt kanina. And then siguro I want to dust this first with powdered sugar. Para may contrast dun sa ating plate.
Plato.
Pwede din tayo maglagay ng chocolate shavings.
Yeah.
Ito
That's
yung ating
also
tulip.
tulip chocolate.
If they want to put nuts, pwede rin, di ba?
Pwede. We have walnuts. We have pecan.
I think that's it, no?
Yeah.
What about whipping cream? No more, no?
Wala
Kasi
na.
meron na.
Meron na sa
Anyway,
gitna.
if they want to put ice cream,
Pwede
in the
rin.
center, pwede rin. Okay, Jackie, yung ating next, yung cherry with cream cheese crepe. Okay, so ang fold na gagawin ko dito, yung cigarette type naman.
Cigarette type, kung tinagalog nyo, lumpia
Lumpia style. Tapos itong magnolia cream cheese na ginagamit natin, pwede nilang i-cream muna, no? Para mas madaling spread. Ako, what I do is, I take it out the day before, no? In the refrigerator. Para paggamit ko the following day, malambot na siya at madaling spread. Ice cream. Lagyan natin ng cocoa powder ulit. Then we can put like decoration again using our melted chocolate. So ang basic ice cream na ginagamit usually pag crepe jack is vanilla.
Wala. Yan.
Decorate natin ng cherry on top. Lucky, tapos na tayo sa assembly. So when we come back, we'll tell you who our lucky letter sender is. So please stay with us.